First, disconnect the harness from the Ground Control 3 leveling controller. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove both screws at the bottom of the touchpad. Then slide the touchpad up and out of the bracket. With the touchpad free, press down on the tab of the harness connector and remove it from the back of the touchpad. Connect the new harness where the old one was, and then remount the touchpad in its bracket. Reinsert your set screws at the bottom of the bracket to ensure the touchpad does not come free during transit. Next, after routing the Canbus harness back through the unit to the Ground Control 3 controller, reconnect to the open Canbus port and test for proper operation.